Dit is Dimitri voor androidworld.nl. Ik sta hier bij Eric van Picsay. Erik, welkom. Kun je ons vertellen wat Picsay precies voor applicatie is?
Nou, Picsay is een hele simpele applicatie waarmee je plaatjes kan bewerken op je mobiele telefoon.
Ja.
En die kan je dan vervolgens weer opsturen naar je vrienden via allerlei services zoals Picsay, Gmail en binnenkort hopelijk ook Hives.
Oké. Nou, jouw applicatie wordt al heel veel gedownload. Weet je de exacte hoeveelheden ook?
Ja, meer dan 160.000 mensen hebben het al gedownload. Dus dat is vanaf begin oktober, want hij is al een tijdje op de market in Amerika.
Ja.
Dus ja, het is een enorm succes.
Enorm succes. Dat succes zal ook vooral gekomen zijn door het feit dat jullie een prijs hebben gewonnen. Kun je er wat meer over vertellen?
Ja, dat is gewoon een enorme grote publiciteit voor ons geweest. Het kon als eerste op de markt zijn. En ja, we zijn een van de featured applicaties. Dus ja, dat heeft ons enorm geholpen. We staan nu ook in de top. En hele goede ratings hebben we ook.
Hele goede ratings, hartstikke goed. Laatste vraag. Wat heb jij hier nog voor ons in petto wat betreft Picsay?
Nou, de grootste, het meeste wat mensen willen is gewoon meer eigenlijk.
Ja, meer.
En nou, dat gaan we ze ook geven en dat komt dan in een premium versie die we dan via de betaalde markt gaan uitgeven.
Oké, nou Erik, hartstikke bedankt voor het hele korte interview. We blijven je in de gaten houden, bedankt.
Oké, graag gedaan. Okay, so I'm really excited about being here. Great to have so many developers here. I'm a developer of my application for Android. Oh, thank you. Is called. Picsay. And this was, as Raima said, was one of the winners of the Android Developer Challenge. And the best way to show you what Picsay can do is to give you a little demonstration. So get right on that. So we got here from the home screen, we can launch Picsay. From this screen, you can, of course, you can open any image that you already have on your phone. But you also see a little thumbnail here, and that's the last image that you were working on. Now, that enables you to really quickly continue editing the last picture, because you're working on a mobile phone, so your work can be interrupted when you're getting an incoming phone call or something like that. So you have to make sure when you develop an application that you store and restore your data, as you can quickly reload it. So just tap that. Here we have a nice full screen view. You can double tap to zoom in, move it around, double tap to zoom out again. Now I'm just going to show you some of the effects that we have. Just press menu and effects. Got a nice list of different kinds of effects. Some of them are color correction effects, so if you don't like the camera, you can do some temperature for example. Now you're presented with a really simple layout, just two buttons at the top and a slider. You can drag that around. There we go. Just make the image cooler, a bit warmer. So nice button at the top here. It allows you to quickly switch between before and after shot. I hope it's all visible, and you can apply it. Really simple, because that's really important on a mobile device. It's very easy to use. And all the effects are done in a similar way, so I'm just going to show you one more. One of my personal favorites is Distort. Got a nice similar view here. Got the slider at the bottom. You can, at the top you can pick any kind of distortion that you like. Now, the best one for this image is Twirl, and you'll see why in a second. So go Twirl, and then slide it across to make the Eiffel Tower dance. So it's really cool. You can also have, you can move the effect around. It's really very responsive. Scale it. It's really fun tool. It's also a great tool for distorting people's faces, and you just have a really great time just playing around with it. So just apply that as well. Now we want to add some text. You can also do that. Just title, some styles now. You can of course slide out the keyboard, but Picsay also provides ways that you can quickly add text without using the keyboard. And one of them is location based. As you know, the G1 has GPS, and Picsay can use the GPS that the camera provides to find information about that location, so you can use it as text in the image. Now, because of the network issues, I hope I can get a connection right now, but here we go, insert text, but location based. Just hope it works. It's loading. No, too bad, it's not connecting to the network. I think it's a bit too busy right now. So, but you get a list of, I'll just use a predefined one. What you would get, if you had a connection, is for this image, since you would know that it's in Paris, France. So it's a really easy way to make holiday e-cards when you're on travel and you want to send some holiday e-card back to your family at home. You can get that information right away. Now, let's just pick one of the styles here. Go, just tap that. You can add it, you can just move it around. Scale it. Now we only want to add a prop. You can also do that with Picsay. Different kinds of props from several certifications. For this one, of course, we'll use the Android. There we go. And this one you can also move around, really easy. You can scale it, just make it as big as you want because it's a vector graphic, so it scales really nicely. Just put it at the bottom here. Now all we have to do is have him say something. So for that we add a word balloon. There we go. Oh. Wrong button. Now we're going to have a word balloon right here. I'll just use another predefined text. Appropriate one. Happy coding. You can add your own text if you want. And just tap here to flip the screen. You get a nice view of different types of frames. The selection to the screen one. There we go. Have a style here. Just add that. You can move this around as well. Happy coding. And there we are. We're going to finish picture with Picsay. Now, of course, you want to share this picture with the world, or you want to send it to your friend. Well, that's where the beauty of Android comes in. That's the intent system. So all Picsay does is it tells the Android, yes, look, I've got a picture here and I want to send it. So Android then creates a list of applications that can send images, and it will show that list to the user. So just write share. Now we get a list of course, there's Google Mail. This messaging is MySpace. I have on my phone. It's Picsay. And you can just load Picsay here. Now from now on, it's only Picsay. All I have to do as an application is provide the image in a content provider, and Picsay will then have access to that image so that it can upload it. Probably won't work right now because of the network, but I'll try it anyway. Here we go. It's uploading. So if you develop an application and your application sends images or other kinds of data, make sure that you tell the Android OS by implementing the right events and providing an intent filter in your manifest so that all other applications can access that data. So that's actually a quick tour of Picsay. There we go. So well, it's been a great success. We had over 160,000 downloads already. So people are really, it's one of the highest rated apps. Very happy about that. And if you already have a G1, you can download and you can try it for yourself. Cool.